Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about 10 phrasal verbs with meanings and sentences. Read off, meaning read some information that is printed or displayed on something. Sentences: the nurse read off patient's temperature from the thermometer. Get through, meaning to be connected by phone. Sentence: she got through to wrong department. Ask after, meaning to ask for information about someone. Sentence: did she ask after me in her letter? Carry over, meaning continue past a certain point. Sentence: the meeting carried over into lunchtime. Run after, meaning to chase someone or something. Sentence: I wish my cat wouldn't run after trucks. Come along, meaning accompany someone. Sentence: if you want, they can come along. Keep to, meaning continue. Sentence: he kept to puzzle until it was done. Make over, meaning do again. Sentence: the teacher made him do his homework over. Do without, meaning manage without something one needs. Sentence: she can't do without a bicycle. Hold on, meaning to wait or stop. Sentence: they'll hold on another minute, then they'll have to go. Subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.